Welcome back to my channel. Do you have dried, damaged and rough hairs that looks messy and horrible all time, and you have tried a lot of shampoos, conditioners, serums and other treatments, but all these doesn't change the look of your hairs but made it even worse? Dry and damaged hairs may be the result of inadequate nourishment, using sulfate shampoos and doing a lot of hairstyling and treatments. But don't worry, you can still make your hairs look soft and healthier by using these natural remedies. Aloe vera hair mask. For making aloe vera hair mask, you will need aloe vera, honey, castor oil or coconut oil. Aloe vera has been used for thousands of years for its healing and nourishing properties. It contains vitamin A, C and E, which helps to promote cell growth and makes your hair soft and shiny. It cleanses your scalp by removing extra oils or sebum and makes your hairs look soft. It also has vitamin B12 and folic acid, which prevents hair loss and also helps to repair your damaged hair. Honey. Honey helps to soothe, soften and increase moisture, which makes it a great moisturizer for hairs. It bonds with water molecules and adds moisture to dry strands. It conditions your hairs, add luster and also prevent hair loss. Castor oil. Castor oil moisturizes the scalp and promote hair growth. It will also treat your dandruff and add luster to your hairs. It also helps to thicken your hairs. If you are using coconut oil, then it also has amazing benefits. It helps to grow your hairs faster and improve your scalp and hair health. It also helps to repair split ends and prevent sun damage to your hairs. Moreover, it treats your dandruff and adds luster and volume to your hairs. Take a bowl and add 1 leaf of aloe vera and extract all the gel in the bowl if you have longer hair. Or you can take 4 to 5 tablespoons. Now add 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Mix all the ingredients well and apply it on your scalp and spread along the strands. Now cover your hairs with shower cap and leave on for about half an hour. Now wash your hairs with a mild shampoo and you will get soft, silky and nourished hairs. Egg mask. For making an egg mask, you will need 1 egg, yogurt 2 tablespoons, honey 1 tablespoon, aloe vera 1 tablespoon. Take a bowl and add egg, honey, yogurt and aloe vera in it. Mix all the ingredients well. Apply it on your hairs from roots to tips and wrap a warm towel or cover your hairs with a shower cap. Leave this mask for 20 to 30 minutes and wash with regular shampoo. You will get soft, shiny and healthy hairs. Use these masks once in a week or twice in a month to make your hairs healthier and longer. Hope you guys liked the video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.